2010 Mini Cooper. I'll show you where's your cabin filter located, and if you have any noise in the blower motor, and first thing you have to do to open your cabin filter, which is here, and here's the filter. Just pull out your filter and see if there is any leaf trees, or sometimes I find like receipts in this thing, because people put receipts to the glow box and somehow they get into the blow motor, and this is the place where you have to look